Oh my gosh. Should I end up to go inside? Hey guys, it's me Anna, and today I'm just out here outdoor and have a squishy for the day reviewing. So, but anyway, long short story, if you know, I've been wanted to do like outdoor video really long time, but the time that I've been wanted is from winter. I just started wanted from winter because I like the video outdoor. Wait, we have a chance to go outdoor now because today I have a really nice weather. Squishy of the day, guys. You don't notice that there's a lot of good view out there. You can see. Oh my gosh, that was really squishy. Wait, how did that sound? What was that? Oh my gosh, it's just so scary. Really. I mean, it's like, oh my gosh, I'm so scared. It really smooth, like really. This is like literally my softest, soft and so squishy ever. I'm soft and so. Reason why I here for you guys, okay? Gosh. She decided to buy a grab bag, but it's come with a box and everything inside is already there. And she bought it on Mikari, and it's the username gonna be right here. First thing first, 2 foam bees. Gosh, that is amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I had this turtle squishy. Okay, a bee. It's this replica of Rilakkuma macaron stack squishy, which is how all the bees fall. Oh, stick on it. This ice cream. This is a really textury squishy, like it feels really soft. Orange. 2 foamy stuff in there. What was that sound? Next, I pull out this Hello Kitty donut, which is a clear one, and it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Here is the tag. Gosh, won't be stuck in there. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Here is the tag. It really squishy. Or a lot of foam bee. Here's the tag. Oh my god. It comes with some common defect that mostly rare squishy will have. Pretty sure it's this squishy packaging because this is come with a bag that I believe is not from it. Because it has a bandana sticker right here. Next is this second-hand squishy that it will come with this grab bag. So I got this cafe and macaron, which is a second-hand squishy. And there's a bees in it. So, what was it? Bye bees! Packaging, but I don't mind about the packaging. Which is super cool. I had this brand new cafe and squishy with a card tag. It's a really fun to squishy. That card tag, still really fun. It's a really textured squishy. This is, I thought this part, the start part was squishy, but it's hard rock. Oh my gosh, this was really squishy. This is the squishy that had the most bees out of all. Color out there! Why? Color is stuck! It's starting to be so dark now. No, I don't want to stay outside here. There's a bee, and here's a dangle. Oh, come on! Again, guys, it's the color. No, look at this! Each, mean butt. Okay, I got this big Tama bun. This, oh, I already had this. This well squishy. The lighting! I start to get so dark. This money one animal has this gonna be like hot rock to get out. No. Oh, this is softer to press than my other one. Like, look at that press. And then this bun, which is so clear. Also, my video, like the video, you want to like and subscribe to the day after that we cut that video. And this is blooper. I got so scared of air because wind and those problems. Oh my gosh, I have to get a trim. Okay, maybe tomorrow.